like that, we also wanted to bat first because on the pitch like that where it's turning and it was difficult to score runs. I think it was not difficult to reach that target, but unfortunately we lost some wickets in the middle order. That's the reason I think we couldn't come back into the side, into the game. But still I believe 140 should have been chased, but unfortunately we couldn't do that. I think he's a match winner. There's no doubt about his abilities, but I think this is the form he is going through. He's really in a bad form at the moment. He really worked hard in the whole tournament, but unfortunately things didn't work for him. I can understand as a captain, as a player, because sometimes things didn't work for you. But he's a character. He's always hard worker, and I think the way he's trying to come out of it, it's a positive sign for us as a team. So that's the reason we really given him all the chances. The way he was working hard in the practice sessions, but unfortunately, the things didn't work for him in this tournament. As far the plan is concerned, I was very sure because I knew that the Malinga will bowl the last 2 overs and then the Kulsekara, so I wanted to take a little bit risk. This is what T20 is all about. You have to take risk and risk some at certain point. But I think overall, I'm as a captain, as a leader, I'm really happy the way the whole team fought in this whole tournament. I think in T20 it happens sometimes, the pressure gets on you as a batsman, and you really have to come out with, you have to think out of the box sometime as a player. We really wanted to win the game, and 140 was not a part score on this track. I know it was turning, it was difficult to score runs, but we really believe that we can do that. But as I mentioned, the middle order couldn't do well in this particular game. That's the reason the partnership couldn't get going, and we couldn't get the target. हमने इस टूर्नामेंट में ऑपोजिशन को देखते हुए मुख्तलिफ चेंजेस किए हैं, अदरवाइज हमने कोई चेंज ऐसा नहीं किया जो रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं थी, और वो टीम मैनेजमेंट का डिसीजन होता है, सब मिलकर उसको डिसीजन को हम लेते हैं. हम चाहते थे कि यहाँ पे एक ऐसा बॉलर हो जो मुश्किल क्रिएट कर सके. सुहेल तनवीर ने रिसेंट पास में इस टीम के खिलाफ, श्रीलंका के खिलाफ बड़ी अच्छी परफॉर्मेंसेज दी हुई थी, इसलिए हमने एक बॉलिंग को ऐड करते हुए, इस पिच को देखते हुए हमने एक ऐड किया था. आई थिंक ही बोल्ड रियली वेल, लेकिन अनफॉर्चुनेटली एज आई मेंशन कि हमारी जो मिडिल ऑर्डर मेन स्ट्रेंथ थी वो इतना अच्छा नहीं खेल सकी इस मैच के अंदर.